This is tutorial number 56, and it covers simulation within SOLIDWORks. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to be using the flexible assembly which we created before. So let's open it up. And what we're going to be doing is simulating a rotary action on this gear, and we're going to see the output onto these two gears. Now, this could be the simulation of if we put a motor onto this shaft to see what the output would be. So to start off, let's click View, and let's uncheck Origins. And we'll click View, and we'll hide all types. Now let's click Simulation, click the rotary motor, and we're going to click the face of the smaller gear. And we're able to change the direction by clicking reverse direction. We can make it go counterclockwise or clockwise. Click OK. Now let's click the simulation and let's calculate the simulation. Click OK. Now let's watch that simulation again. Let's click this, click replay simulation, and we're able to watch the simulation. We can either watch it in a loop, watch it once, or watch it reciprocate. So through this, we're able to see the motion that we have going on if we hooked up the motor to it, and we're able to see if there's any problems that arise. And this concludes our tutorial on simulation within SOLIDWORks.